So today I'm going to talk about my custom-built compost tumbler. This is just a barrel that used to have olives in it, and if you're going to do this you want to get one that had food in it or is food safe, not one that was used to store chemicals. But I just drilled holes in this. So the idea here is that you just tip this on its side, and this is kind of a bootleg compost tumbler versus the ones that you can find for much more expensive online and tend to have a lot of parts, so they might even fall apart even though they're expensive. They kind of had stress points where they are weakest. They tend to be where all the nuts are and where they're put together. Anyway, so this is just a simple bootleg compost tumbler. I just tip it on side and roll it. And if there's a lot of wet material in here, then you can kind of make a mess sometimes. So you'll have to be ready to sweep that up. Or you could do it on grass. Like you can kind of see that it's leaking a bit from the bottom holes. So there might be some juice leakage from the wet parts of the compost. And the other thing you can do is, if you don't want to have this style of having to roll it on the ground, you can build it in such a way that it's like the ones you can buy. You can put it on like a stand and put a crank on it and turn it that way. But I'll show you how this one works. It's basically just a giant jar. It's got this screw top. Very easy. And the other thing I like about this is that it's way sturdier. This is very solid plastic. I got this bin or barrel for about $40 and just invested some time here and there to put all these holes in it, and it did take some time. But yeah, this is very solid. It's gonna outlive me. And yeah,